Recording Lachlan.
His
first hearing aid with sound.
Laura, darling.
Darling. Hello, Lachlan. Here we go. Well, hello.
Oh, darling.
Oh, darling.
Oh.
Hi.
He's
Hello.
listening.
Say
Hi.
Gorgeous.
Oh,
look.
Hi.
He's smiling.
Lachlan. Hello. Hello,
Oh,
darling.
look. He's smiling. He's smiling.
I told you it's not so
darling,
bad
look,
once you
he's
see their
Hi,
response.
He's smiling,
Oh,
sweetheart.
isn't that
Sorry,
lovely?
Elise.
Yeah. Hello, darling.
Oh, darling.
Hello. You're smiling. Can you hear?
Amazing.
Isn't it amazing?
Hi.
Now I'm just
Hi.
going to clap, make sure it's not too loud. Ready, Lachlan? See how he blinks a little bit? But he stops, so
He stopped his, it's okay.
it's not too loud. And he's not blinking when we talk.
Good boy,
darling. Yes. Hi there.
It was a reaction, wasn't it, when the hearing came on?
When they stop like that, they're listening.
Yeah. How gorgeous.
And what a nice
What a
smile.
big difference, isn't it?
So it's never too young.
Oh, there's a smile.
Okay, can you turn him around and I'll just cut the tube.